This animal inhabits the lands over Indian subcontinent and in some parts of Southeast Asia, but cannot be found anywhere else in the world. The Gaur, with its hefty body and sturdy limbs, are the largest cattle inhabiting peninsular India. An adult male may weigh close to a ton, making them the largest wild cattle in the world. In fact, it is regarded as possibly the most dangerous animal in the Indian jungle. Indian Gaur is a bold and aggressive-looking creature. Both the sexes have horns that grow from the sides of the head and curve upwards. One of the most striking features of the Gaur is the muscular ridge, also known as the dorsal ridge, upon its shoulders. Gaurs primarily are the denizens of evergreen and semi-evergreen forest with abundant water. Known to be a grazing animal, the Indian Gaur loves to munch on leaves, fruits, stems, flowers, and seeds. They generally feed in the early morning and in late evenings. Sometimes during shortage of food, they complete their nutrition and minerals by debarking trees. Most Gaurs mate during December and January, and calves are born in August and September. The gestation period is 9 months, with one calf per pregnancy. Adult Gaurs are strong enough to defend themselves against a predator as powerful as a tiger. In addition, they are also very protective of their young ones. Despite their massive size, they are very docile in nature, unless provoked. When they feel threatened, especially if they sense a threat to their young ones, they will lower their strong heads and attack without any hesitation. However, there are also cases that suggest that Gaur population is highly vulnerable to threats that they face in human-dominant landscapes, thus requiring conservational attention. So on your next visit to the Pench National Park, don't forget that there is more to wildlife than elusive big cats. Stay sharp and stand still as you cross paths with these bulky beasts.